So now we come to question number 4. Look into your book, page number 14. What is given there in question number 4? Express 0.99999 in the form P by Q. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmates, discuss why the answer makes sense. Now you see here, the first part is important to us because we have to express 0.99999 in the form of P by Q. Okay, there is nothing to be surprised because once we solve it, we will come to a conclusion. So it will not be much of a surprise, right? So let us start solving. So what is given here? 0.99999 dot, right? Now in question number 3 we have done bars, right? So now we will change it into bars. So 0.9999 means we can also write this as 0.9 bar, right? That means this 9 continues, right? So which is equal to 0.999 continued, right? So now let x is equal to 0.999 dot number equation 1. This dot means it is continuity. Okay. Next. Now multiply with what are we going to multiply? We will multiply it with 10 because the bar is on 9. Multiply both sides by 10. How much do we get? We get 10 into x is equal to 10 into 0.999 continues. When we solve it, it is 10x is equal to, it's 10, so the point will shift here. So it will be 9.99 continued. So this is equation 2. Similarly again, subtract equation 1 from 2. What do we get? What is our equation 2? 10x is equal to 9.99 continued. And equation 1 is x equals to 0.99 continued. Right? Now when we subtract 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9. And here 10 minus 1 is 9x. So 9x is equal to 9 because after point 0 has got no value. So x will be equals to 9 by 9. So when we cancel this, what is our answer? Our answer is x is equal to 1. Right? So this is your answer for question number 4, and there is nothing too big to be surprised about it. If you are surprised, you can text me the reason of being surprised. Right? So next we come to question number 5. Now let's see what is given there in question number 5. Look into your book, page number 14. In question number 5, it is given, what can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17? Perform the division to check your answer. Okay. So now they have asked you what can be the maximum blocks. Okay. When we divide 1 by 17. So what we have to do? We have to do 1 by 17. Right? So let us divide and see. Okay. Now 17 is a bigger number and 1 is small. So we put a 0 here and we put a point and bring 1 0. Still it is not, your 10 is smaller. So we bring one more 0. We bring one more 0 here. Now it's 100. So now in the table of 17 ones are 17. We have to write down the table of 17, then it will be easier for us. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 21. Carry 2. 3 ones are 3. 4 5. 51. 17 fours are 7 fours are 28. Carry 2. 4 ones are 4. 5 6. 17 5s are 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. 17 6 are 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 6 1s are 6, 10 102. 17 7s are 7 7s are 49, carry 4, 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10 11. 17 8s are 8 7s are 56, carry 5, 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11 12 13. 17 9s are 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 70, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 63. So carry 6. 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12 13 14 15. Right, and 17 10s are is 170. So now we will see 100. Where is 100 here? We don't have, we have 102. So it will be 5. Right, 585. So here 100 minus 85 is how much? That is 5, and here 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Right. So 15 is smaller, 17 is big. So we bring 1 0 again. So where do we have 150? We have 150. We don't have. We have got 17 8s are 136. Right. So now 150 minus 136 will be here 4 and here 1. So we bring another 0 here. So now 140. Where do we have 140? We have. We don't have. We have got again 1 8. Right. So 8s are 136. So 140 minus 136 is how much? It's 10 minus 6 is 4. So we bring 1 0 here. So 40 we have 51. So 2s are 34. Right. So now 40 minus 34 is how much? It is 6. So we bring a 0 here. Right. Now 70 in the table of 17, where do we have 60? We don't have. We have 68. So 3s are 51. So what is your answer? Your answer will be 9. Right. Remainder will be 9. So now we bring one more 0 here, and 17. Where do we have 90? We don't have 90. We have got 102 and 85. So 85 will go. 5s are 85. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 5. Right. So I bring another 0 here. Right. So where do I have 50? I don't have 50. I have 51. So 2s are 34. Right. So now 50 minus 34 will be, here it will come 6, here 1. So I bring a 0 here. Right. So 17. Where is 160? We have 9s are 153. Right. Now how much? 160 minus 153 is how much? It is 7. Right. Now I bring a 0 here. So where is 7? 70. We don't have 70. We have 68. So 4s are 68. Right. It's going to be a long one. Right. A long division for us. So now 70 minus 68 is how much? It is 2. We again bring a 0. We have 20. We don't have 20. We have 1s are 17. Right. So I am continuing it here. You can continue in your notebook. Right. So 20 minus 17 is how much? 3. Right. So here 30. I bring a 0 here. So 17. 2s are 34. So here I have to take 1. So I take a 1 again here. So it's again 3 here and 1 here. So I bring again a 0 here, and now where do I have 130? I don't have. I have got 7s are 119. Right. So now what is the remainder? The remainder will be 1 1. So again I bring a 0 here. Now 110 is there? No. Again 6. 6 are 102. So now remainder is 8. And then again I bring a 0 here. Do I have 80? I have 85. So 4s are 68. Right. Next, I have got 2 here and 1 here. I bring a 0 here. So how much? We have got 119. 7s are 119. Right? Now 120 minus 119 is 1. Now we don't have to do any further, because here the remainder is 1 and we started from 1. Right? We started the division from 1 and now the remainder is 1. That means this entire thing is a recurring. That means this will continue. Okay? This again it will be 0. Again it will start the same answer you will be getting. So this is your answer. Now we'll count. They have asked us what is the maximum division of blocks. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 16 blocks we have. Right? So this is your answer. You can write it neatly in your notebook. Next we come to question number 6.